Now, good morning, students. Chapter Operations on Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 60. Now, question number 2, Roman 6. These sums are related with identities which I have already given. Now, see the solution. 1 by 2 y square minus 1 by 3 y into 1 by 2 y square minus 1 by 3 y. Both are like terms, power is 1, so this one can be written in this way. 1 by 3 y 2, so 1 by 2 y minus 2 into y square by 2 into y by 3 plus 1 by 3y whole square, that is a minus b whole square a square minus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, here is y square by 2. In place of b, here is y by 3. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So y to the power 4 by 4 minus these 2 divided by 2. So y cube by 3 plus y square by 9. So this one is the answer. Now next question, 3 Roman 3, 5x plus 11 whole square. So 5x square plus 2 into 5x into 11 plus 11 square, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this identity, this one is found it. In place of a, here is 5x. In place of b, here is 11. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 25 x square plus 5 to 10, 10 into 11 x plus square of 11, that is 121. So this one is the answer of this question. Now Roman 7, x square y minus yz square power 2. Now x square y whole square minus 2 into x square y into y z square plus yz square whole square. So here that one, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by using that identity, in place of a there is x square y, in place of b here is yz square. So x to the power 4 y square minus 2 x square y square and z square plus y square z4. So this one is the answer. Next, 7x plus 11y. 7x minus 11y plus 7x square minus 11y square, that is that one. A plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So in place of a 7x, in place of b 11y, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, the 7x whole square minus 11y whole square, so equal to 49 x square minus 121 y square. That is the answer. Next, 4x by pi minus 5y by 3, 4x by pi plus 5y by 3. So here is also 4x by pi whole square minus 5y by 3 whole square. This one also like that identity. In place of a, here is 4x by pi. Place of b, here is 5y by 3. So a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So 4x whole square, that is 16 x square by 25 minus 5y whole square, that is 25 y square by 3 square, 9. So this one is the answer. One by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x minus 1 by y. So a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. By using that identity, in place of a, here is 1 by x. In place of y, here is 1 by y. So that is 1 by x square minus 1 by y square. That is the answer. Pi over 1, 54 square. Now divide into two numbers, 50 plus 4. Either you can write that one in plus or you can write that one in minus. Here I have taken 50 plus 4, that is 54. So 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 4 plus 4 square, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using that identity, that's why to make it a plus b form, that's why 54 is written 50 plus 4. So in place of a, 50, in place of b, 4. So multiply 50 square, which is equal to 2500 plus multiply 50 into 2 100, 100 into 4 400 plus 4 square, that is equal to 60. Now add these three numbers, 2500 plus 400 plus 60, so which is equal to 2916. So this one is the answer. Next, 704. So 700 plus 4, 704, that is 700 plus 4. This one is written in this way, a plus b whole square. So according to a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, here is 100, so 700 plus 2 into 700 into b, in place of b 4, plus b square, here is 4. So 1 2 3 4 plus multiply this one 5600 plus 4 square 16. Now add these three numbers, which is equal to 495616. That is the answer. Six Roman 2 78 square. So 78 is square, 80 minus 2, 80 minus 2 equal to 78, and this square is written here too. So 80 square minus 2 into 80 into 2 plus 2 square, that is identity, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using that identity, a in place of a, 80, in place of b, here is 2. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now square of 80 minus, multiply these 3, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So minus 320 plus square of 2, 4. Now first to subtract it, 6400 minus 320, that is equal to 6080. Now add 4 with it. So 6084. This is the answer of this. So this one expanded by using that formula, a minus b square. Next, Roman 4 99999 square. So it can be written by the 1000 minus 1. So 1000 minus 1 is equal to 999. This two is written here. Now 1000 minus 1 In place of A, here is 1000. In place of B, here is 1. So A minus B whole square is this one. So writing by follow this one. A square minus 2AB plus B square minus 2 plus 1. Now subtract these two numbers, which is equal to 9, 9, 8, 0, 0, 0 plus 1. Now add with it 9, 9, 8, 0, 0, 1. So this one is the answer of this question. Next, 7 Roman 2 128 square minus 72 square. So 128 plus 72, 128 minus 72. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Here in this question A is equal to 128 and B is 72. So A plus B into A minus B. Now add 128 with 72, so which is equal to 200 into 128 minus 72, subtract these two numbers, which is equal to 56. Between them that is multiplied, that's why symbol of multiplication is written. Now multiply these two numbers. 1, 1, 2, 0, 0. So this one is the answer. Roman 4 198 into 198 minus 102 into 102 by 96. So 192, 2 times is there, so write in power 198 square minus 102, 102 square by 96. So this is in the form A square minus B square. So that is A plus B into A minus B by 96. Now add 198 with 102, that is 300 into 198 minus 102, that is 96 by 96. So this one cancel 300. So answer is 300. Question number 5. 14.7 into 15.3 14.7. So 15 minus 0.3 into 15 plus 0.3. So take two same numbers. By adding you get one number, and by subtracting you get the other number. In this way, first write that number. So this one 15 square minus 0.3 square, a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So by using that one, 15 square minus 0.3 square. So 15 square, which is equal to 225 minus 0.09. Now subtract it, 224.91. So this one is the answer. Question number 9. 64 x square plus 81 y square plus 144 xy, where x equal to 11 and y equal to 4/3. So this can be written in this way, plus 9y whole square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab according to identity, that is a plus b whole square. So 8x plus 9y whole square. Now here you put the value of x and y. X is 11, so x into 11 plus 9 into 4/3 whole square. Now divide 3, so 88 plus 12 whole square. Now add 88 with 12, that is equal to 100. So 1. So this one is the answer of this question.